Il-ħatrit tal-ġudikatur għandhom ikunu ħielsa mill-intħil politiku partiġjan. Dan kien kliem l-imħallef ta' fama internazzjonali Rosemary Aquilina li jibbażata f'Michigan meta tnejn kienet intervistata minn Amy Borg fil-programm Net Live.
In Malta, what are your thoughts regarding our system? If I'm not mistaken, recently you had mentioned that head of states or the prime minister should not make judicial appointments, right?
I think there's a conflict of interest there because what heads of states, governors, prime ministers, whatever part of the world it is, however it happens, when that happens, then the judiciary, there's no separation of powers. So the judges feel compelled to rule how the person who appointed them would rule, rather than on the case solely in front of them.
L-imħallef ta' 61 sena li dominat l-aħbarijiet fl-2018 wara li tat sentenza ta' omor il-ħabs lil pedofilu fl-Istati Uniti qalet l-deċiżjoni li jinħattru maġistrati u mħalfin bi sfond politiku turi nuqqas ta' imparzjalità.
I think in the Maltese courts, the judges lose their voice on behalf of the community that they represent, and I'm hoping that at some point that changes.
Bħalissa din il-kwistjoni tal-ħatriet tal-ġudikaturi hija tema taħraq ħafna tant li hemm kawża pendenti li waslet sal-Qorti Ewropea għalkemm il-Gvern qed jibqa' jirreżisti.